Alright y'all, I wanted to come in and make a quick Bitcoin update, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is going to be some juicy technical analysis content, and you are not going to find this anywhere besides the Jason Casper YouTube channel. So, Bitcoin, guys, has gotten a massive pump throughout the course of the day, and we just had this candle, guys, even on the 1 minute time frame. Whew. Can you believe this candle? We had one candle giving us a 2% move on the 1 minute time frame. Absolutely phenomenal. And would you believe it, Bitcoin smacked right dab into this area of resistance to the exact dollar, where we are currently getting a rejection. Now, this is a very specific area of resistance that we have had marked out in the VIP Discord for a long time. In fact, you can see right here that we have the exact level marked out right here at $22,500, and we literally rejected to the dollar. And why is that? It's because of this previous high that we had right here. Now the question is Bitcoin going to go higher, or are we going to come back down lower? Personally, I think that we are going to go higher, and I want to talk about why. If we turn on our indicator market Cipher B right here, let's put it on market Cipher B, boom. We can see on these very high time frames, like the weekly time frame, that we've got ourselves a big, juicy BitBoy green dot down here. Now, I don't want to say that this is the bottom of Bitcoin, but historically speaking, if we take a look at Bitcoin from inception, on the weekly time frame, when we get money flow on market Cipher B crossing into the red, and then we get a big BitBoy green dot on market Cipher B, that is historically the bottom of the bear market. Now, I'm not saying this is the bottom of the bear market. I'm just saying this is a very bullish sign. Whenever we get that on market Cipher B, it has been the bottom of the bear market. In fact, from that time, we got a massive 300% move to the upside at the end of the 2018 bear market. And then again, when we had the this was 2018. The previous cycle before that as well, we can see right here that in 2015, after that crash that we had in 2013, this marked the bottom. Once money flow came into the red, and we got a big BitBoy green dot on market Cipher B. Now, we currently have that now. And something else I want to point out is the fact that we have come down to a very important area of support, and that is the 786 fib level from the March 2020 dump to the all-time high. Now, this is not only an important area of support because it's a fib level, but it's the target of this giant rising wedge that we had marked on our chart from basically the middle of November. And, now that we're here, we're finding good support, and we have this signal on market Cipher B. Now, that makes me think that we can come higher. I want to talk about the important areas of support and resistance that I see. Now, first of all, we are getting money flow crossing over into the green again on market Cipher B on the 4-hour time frame. Momentum is getting higher. However, it does look like right now, at least, maybe we're going to have a little bit of a retracement before coming higher. So let's talk about where we might look to retrace to. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I've been long on Bitcoin from this earlier today when I grabbed a long from about $20,900. Obviously, I've taken profits out of that trade. It's a new day, but I've taken a lot more profits than $800 out of that trade. And I was able to enter a short from the rejection on that daily level. My entry's not the best, but I was still able to get into a trade, lock in some profits. So I'm hoping to actually take this short down a little bit more, and then I'm actually hoping to compound this long trade. So here's kind of my general idea for that, which is right now, if we take a fib from the low that we put in here to the daily level, and we turn on our 382, we can see that that lines up very, very perfectly with this weekly level of support. Okay, it was resistance, and we did find some resistance here. In fact, earlier today in the VIP Discord, we were able to take two short trades, one from the weekly and the other from this other area. But yeah, this weekly level right here at 21,022, able to take a short scalp right from there. Actually, that was this one. That was this one right here. Able to take a short scalp from there. It did act as resistance on the way up for a nice short scalp. And so very interesting that the 382 is coming in right with that weekly to almost get the breakout of the level and the retest before coming higher. Now, something else that's very interesting is if we pull another fib from this low that we put in to the current high, we can see that we have confluence with the Fibonacci golden pocket right at that level as well. And so it's just very interesting to me to see these areas of support along the way down. So basically, guys, another reason why this weekly level is so important right now for a potential retest is because if we just look at the volume that's traded here, and let me actually pull this a little bit back more. And actually, let me just pull this a little bit forward more. Well, I thought that it was the highest volume node, but you know what? It's not. But we can still see that we have a very large spike in volume right here as well, right? This is the highest spike in volume, but this is also a very high volume node right here at about that 21K area. And so the reason why this is so juicy is because we have so much confluence here. So I will really be looking to potentially hold this short down to 21K. But before we come down to 21K, we have to be aware of this 382 confluence with the value area high of this entire chunk of price action here. So let me kind of just adjust this a little bit so we get some accurate levels here. Yeah, look at this, guys. The major areas of support and also take profits for this short are going to be 21.6 and then this very juicy confluence at 21K. If we lose 21K, I will be looking back down to this general zone between, I would say, like 20K, right around there. And if we lose that, guys, then I say we're coming way back down. But that's kind of my general overall thoughts on Bitcoin right now, guys. So make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, a few things. If you want to join the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper. If you want a 25% discount on the trading course, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Discount in the description of the video. Also, if you do want to join the Casper crew for the World Series of Trading, you can also do so by clicking on the affiliate link in the description of the video and then clicking the link to join my crew. We're currently ranked number 56 out of all the troops here. Pretty cool, guys, I have to say. Whoops, actually we were now 62. Well, still not so bad. We're doing our best here, guys. We have some really good traders in here, absolutely killing it, increasing our accounts by over 100%, and a whole bunch of great traders in here. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. God bless everybody. In the name of the Messiah, Jesus, I pray everyone is very blessed, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.